everyone, my name is Vinay Karamchandra Palladi and my today's topic is array in Java. Sorry, uh, array just we want to start the array before we want to talking about what is use of array and why it's come and what's the replacement of this array. Like array, it is like similar to like variable. Variable what do? Variable is do the simply store the value of the what type of data type that store the value inside that and let's suppose we want to like store the 100 data types or 100 values, then we want to create 100 variables that take more memory and also that is not more efficient to like print something or whatever you want to do on do on the on that operation on that is not a appropriate way or it is like time consuming. In that time the array comes and what is the use of array? Array, just start with what is the definition of array. Array, it is a stored a similar type of data in continuous memory using the using based on the index based. Means array, it is a stored a similar type of data. Like we want to store 100 or 1000 integer, then we directly store that array 1000 or 100 100 array like variables and it is stored according to continuous memory, means one by one and based on the indexing like 0 1 2 3 4 like that, that's stored in the memory. And let's start with the what is the syntax of array. Array, it is like a like first define the what types of array you want, like integer float, float no, char, double, like this long and simply square brackets, and then you want to say declare the array name and then new keyword use because array, it is a class, that's why we want to create the object, then using new new keyword, we use new keyword to create the object and simply provide int and in square bracket one more square in that we simply write the size of that array we what we want and like this, and we store the size and store the integer one by one like 0 in like date like array name and just 0 and the value, like this we print the or store that value directly. And let's start with the why array. It is we are looking the why array comes and what's the replacement of array, and let's start with the what is the advantages and disadvantages. Advantages means the array we can store the like similar type of data 100 or 1000 variable at one time, and it is very efficient to like do something or like we want to find something in simply we iterate the using simply one for loop we iterate and check the element present or not. This is and second way say this is the two advantages, and there are many advantages like we want to store directly and like whatever we operate it directly it is very fast, and like let's start with the what is the disadvantage. Disadvantage, it is like it is a fixed size because array have a take already memory or take the what's input we want or what size of array it is take first, then that's why it is a fixed size. It is this is the one more like this is the disadvantages of array, and also heterogeneous, like array store only one type of data, that's why it is also we can call disadvantages. Like disadvantages, if you want to store something integer, then you want to only store integer only, not you want to store float or other data, you only store the integer. And these are the advantages and disadvantages. And array array, it is a very using very standard and very best to store the similar to data, and the in suppose you want to solving DAC, then the array is very important because the array question, it is a more as compared to other data structure or other like others like in collection based, that's why array, it is a very important and very focused because array, it is a very small, means it is a very basic thing, and that's why it is a very costly use in DSA, like DSA questions you answer, like asking you in that time, it is a very important. This is the all about the array in Java, and there are many ways to like create the array, like mainly three ways, and their syntax is mainly four, like we give the like uh, data type, then directly square bracket, then space, and then integer, and then second way it is data type space integer, like array name, and then space, like this is the like syntaxes of array, and we declare directly array like int square bracket, and the array name, and directly we give the size and directly add the array, like new sorry, new int, and directly give the value, and this is the types. And another way it is like declare the first size and then printing, like give the one by one answer, means one by one store the value inside them. These are the syntaxes, or these are the type to declare the array. So thank you. This is the from my side. This is the very deep explanation of the array in Java.